Hello, I'm John Daniels from Kinaptic. We're a company from the US, and we're here through a G4 accelerator with Bayer. And we've been asked to come back, and we've been since February collaborating on a few use cases for our technology, and we're going to start demonstrating these to you today. First use case is for DVT prevention. It's a product that goes on the calf muscles, and we use electroceuticals to apply an electrical signal to the muscles of the calf, and those muscles contract involuntarily, and this activates what's called the muscle pump. The muscle pump is the biological feature that returns blood from the deep veins in the lower legs back to the heart. And by stimulating and activating the muscle pump with this electroceutical, we can prevent thrombotic conditions from occurring because we discharge the blood through the deep veins back up to the heart. Our technology is very simple, yet very effective. We have a smartphone app that controls the device. The smartphone app is very intuitive, very easy to use, and it allows the patient or the user or the caregiver to control the device so that the correct signal is applied very simply through a couple of clicks on a few buttons. Off you go, and you've got your 30-minute treatment. Very easy, very effective. The technology can be applied and created into a variety of form factors. In this case, from a fashion standpoint, one of the things that we learned through our patient interviews here at Bayer is that patients that have thrombotic conditions, especially when they're younger, really don't like to wear things that remind them of their condition or that when they go out looks like a bandage. So we can create very fashionable devices with our technology and have these stretch electrodes that apply the electrical signal to the calf muscles and again activate the muscle pump and prevent thrombotic conditions. We have a couple other form factors. In this case, this is a knee brace that also includes our dry electrode system, and with the same electronics and the same app, we can apply a TENS or transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation to the knee for pain relief and to also to strengthen the knee and to loosen up tight knee joints. And finally, something we're really excited about is what we call a contracture sleeve. Right now in the US, for example, 800,000 new patients have a stroke every year, and those patients are typically left with an upper limb disability, and even after physical therapy, you'll often see a stroke victim has a contracture. It's where the muscles in the forearm shorten and the tendons contract, and it's a very painful condition that's relieved. You'll see people always stretching their hand, and this is part of the physical therapy. Also, a physical therapist will stretch the hand. With our contracture sleeve, very simply, we apply the electrical signal to the digitorum muscles of the forearm that causes an involuntary muscle contraction. Even with someone who's lost the brain-body connection, this equipment is still very functional. By applying the electrical signal externally through the skin, through our electroceutical device, we cause pivoting of the hand at the wrist, and that stretches out the contracture. We think this product should be the standard of care very quickly because anyone that has the possibility of a contracture forming can be avoided simply by putting this very simple device on and going through a 10-minute treatment a day.